Namaste, this is S.K. Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today discussion about the catabolism of heme and jaundice. Now, the heme catabolism and the jaundice. We discuss the degradation of hemoglobin. 6 gram of hemoglobin is breakdown per day. 1 gram of hemoglobin is equal to 35 of bilirubin. Approx 150 to 350 mg bilirubin is formed per day. 85% of old RBC 120 days of degraded per day. 50% of mature RBC and other heme containing protein. Heme protein are the myoglobin and cytohormone is 20%. Hemoglobin are converted into different tetra group and the convert to the bilirubin. And it is the amine to neutralize and the changing in by present of heme oxygenase. Biliverdin are converted to the bilirubin. Okay, so present of biliverdin reductase. So in here you see that this is the bilirubin or ambulin are converted to the bilirubin and the uptake in by the liver. Bilirubin are converted to the bilirubin monogluconide and gluconide are converted to the bilirubin diuronide and convert to the conjugated bilirubin. Okay, the active process of rate limiting step conjugated by induced by the phosphate. Bilirubin is one highly affected binding to the site, one low effective binding site of the bilirubin. 1 milligram of plasma is equal to 25 ml of bilirubin bind to the high affinity to the binding site. Drug, aspirin, sulfur, antibiotic, and the salicylate from the ambulin. This is the ambulin cross the blood-brain barrier, entered in the brain, and the cause for injury of drug is avoid the newborn. In the intake of bilirubin by the liver, the conjugation of bilirubin in the spirit of the internal H bond, which is the limited of adequate solution of bilirubin. One is conjugation of acid and the decarboxylation of propylation acid. Secretion of conjugation of bilirubin, intake of bilirubin in the process rate limited step of the multi-organ aminotransferase. In the conversion of bilirubin degradation and the synthesis of circulation of electron circulation, bilirubin are the bilirubin digestion form of the different type of 100 to 200 mg per day. Now in you see the reductase is from bilirubin and colorless tetra and the pseudobilirubin are the mesobilirubin and the streptobilirubin. These are different processes are produced. Jaundice are the yellow discolor of the scleras, eye, skin, and mucous membrane due to the hyperbilirubinemia and the disposition of bile pigment. So normal case of serum bilirubin in total bilirubin 0 to 1 milligram per day, and the conjugated of 0.1 to 0.4 mg per day, and unconjugated is indirect of 0.2 to 0.7 mg per day. 1 to 2 milligram per DL, it is the causes for jaundice, and the 3 gram DL is cause for clinical jaundice. 1 to 2 is mg per DL, it is a sublingual jaundice, and greater than 1.2 is mg per DL is subclinical jaundice, and at more than 3 mg per dl is called clinical jaundice. Production of more bilirubin than liver is conjugated, increase the hemolysis. Failure of disease liver excreted of the bilirubin production in normal amount, and the mechanism of obstruction of bile duct bilirubin and cannot be entered in intestine, and the production of more bilirubin than liver cannot be conjugated, increase the hemolysis. Blood, liver, and kidney are the perihepatic jaundice. So, in blood level, unconjugated bilirubin in conjugated enter in the unconjugated bilirubin in liver. Then conjugated bilirubin is converted to the converted into the fast and excreted to the urine. So, hemoglobin pathway is the 6 hydroxy glucose 6 glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency and PK deficiency, seek of the any kind of anemia. Now catalyze the hemoglobin outlined in the graphic in this picture, or red color are the red color in here in my PPT. I give it to you. It is the under to the hemolysis. It is a process of average in blood 120 days. Type of jaundice. Various types of jaundice are present in the amplified by bilirubin in blood. Jaundice are condition of characterized yellow colored skin due to the presence of bilirubin. Hemolytic jaundice. Excessive hemolysis on breakdown of red blood cell causes for formation of a high than normal amount of bilirubin. Bilirubin are made of liver going to liver into the gallbladder into the intestine where most of the is secreted. The bladder into the intestine or the most of the excreted liver is normally causes for extreme eventually that damage the work. Usually, liver are the handle of the excrete and the bilirubin excrete of intestine does not use to kidney. Bile chain are the level of like urine. Hepatic jaundice. Hepatic jaundice is caused for damage or disease on the liver. Heme enter into the liver does to the take place much bilirubin normal in normal level. Biliary obstruction. The bilirubin cannot be reached in intestine area because of the blockage into the bile duct. Bilirubin built up into the blood and causes because of it get out of the liver. Bilirubin is the removed by the kidney into the urine. Little if the found in urine, little of found in bilirubin reach of the intestine. It is the type of jaundice are discussed. Okay, now we briefly discussion about any kind of jaundice are affected in your body and heme catabolize. Okay. Now in here at the in this session, our hemoglobin catabolized are produced by the bilirubin I discussed. Now you know that the destruction of one RBC is 250 mg per dl, and the form of the inefficient erythropoiesis is 300 mg per dl. 6 gm ECLB per day destruction, 1 mg per 30 mg per bilirubin are converted 1 mg of hemoglobin converted to 35 mg of bilirubin. So, in step of RBC destruction of RBC release the heme and it is cytosome, and there is degradation of heme into the different area are bilirubin in cytoplasm. Hepatic uptake bilirubin, conjugation of bilirubin in liver, deconjugation of liver in intestine and excretion. In the extravascular hemolysis is physiological destruction of old RBC and phagocytosis of the RBC in the cell. Heme and globulin, it is O for system, HO for system neutralized for globulin is called. One RBC cannot be taken macrophage and focus on the tissue. Intravascular hemolysis is a direct release to hemoglobin and heme. It is the circulation. Hemoglobin or heme are binding to the hemoglobin and the hemotoxic response. RE is the cell of the liver of the bone of spine. Okay, so this is the process with degradation of any kind of hemoglobin into the conversion of oxidized by F2 plus to F3. It oxidizes the different breakdown, bridge, and linkage in ferric form to ferrous form. So way of hemoglobin is closely ring of hemoglobin, opening of the tetrahedral ring of the biliverdin to the cytoplasmic cell. So in conversation, you see that is the heme to hydroxy heme. It's a present of heme hydroxygenase. Thank you so much for hearing.